in Normal is using new technology to detect and diagnose precancerous conditions. Kyle Beachy has that story.
That's right, thanks Vivian. This technology is changing the game for doctors treating chronic heartburn, acid reflux, and indigestion. It's allowing them to look at cell structure in real time to determine if any precancerous conditions exist in the esophagus. Gary Boundy has been dealing with the effects of Parkinson's disease since 2006. One side effect has been restrictions in his esophagus. He undergoes a procedure once every 5 weeks to stretch his esophagus so that he can swallow his food. Until recently, he wasn't aware that he also suffers from Barrett's esophagus, a precancerous condition.
Cancer has run in my family. I lost a daughter at 21 to leukemia. So I'm very relieved when I don't hear anything from the clinic because that means nothing is showing up.
Dr. Stephen Motter used a new technology called Cellvizio to take a deeper look into Boundy's esophagus, where he spotted the precancerous cells, allowing them to treat it before it turned to cancer.
It's put my mind at ease because I know they're going down and they're checking that esophagus. And a big thing on my mind is cancer.
As far as the technology goes, it's something Dr. Motter has never seen before.
This is the first microscope that goes through the scope that I've ever heard of. The ability in real time to determine where the abnormal cells are in the esophagus is a huge advance in helping prevent that turn to cancer.
While the technology has been around since 2014, it hasn't seen much use in central Illinois until now.
We're the only ones between Chicago and St. Louis that use the Cellvizio to determine dysplastic cells from Barrett's esophagus.
Millions of Americans suffer from chronic heartburn or acid reflux, and over time these can result in Barrett's esophagus and eventually cancer. Boundy said he is so thankful that after one look into his esophagus with the Cellvizio machine, they were able to detect the precancerous cells that had gone undetected before that. Dr. Motter's office has used the Cellvizio to treat over 50 patients in just 4 weeks and says it's a huge advantage in early detection of cancer in the esophagus.
Kyle, thank you.